Hello dear, this is Iris from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Cosmetic Machinery. Today I will introduce this 1000 liter single layer homogenizer mixing tank for you. This is the discharge valve, and when your product finish, you can connect here to discharge it to your storage tank. And this is the motor, homogenizer motor, and our bottom homogenizer speed is 0 to 3000 RPM, very fast. So we made a hopper here to connect the cooling water. Use the pipe to connecting our mechanical sealing to cooling down the temperature to protecting our mechanical sealing. This is the stairs and the working platform. We use stainless steel 304 to make it. And tank body, we use the stainless steel 316 to make it. This mixing tank, we use the half open pipe. And this is the motor for the agitator. This is the reducer to let the agitator speed can be adjustable. Now look inside. This is the physics scraper and the side and bottom scraper with the Teflon scraper. The speed is 0 to 63 RPM. The speed can be adjustable. Now, this is the electric control box. This is the power phase. This 3 lights turn on means this machine connecting the power. Now, here. When you visit our machine, you need to connect your electric wire here to connect it to let the whole set machine with the power supplier. And this is the electric part for our machine. We use the DC electric part and the tie dart. Stop. When the machine broken or has other problem, you can push this button to stop it. And the white and the emitter. This is the time delay for the homogenizer. Means our machine's homogenizer working time is 5 minutes. After that, it will be stopped. And this is the temperature. This is the homogenizer VFD, Mr. VFD. This is the homogenizer on-off button. This is the light, missing on-off light, and the spare part. This is when this part or this part broken, you can use part to stand by it. Now I will show you how to operate it. The first step, we push this green button to open the bottom homogenizer. And the second step, turn the switch on to the right side. The speed will be faster. Now can see the inside. The homogenizer is working right now. And then we open the agitator. Press this green button. Here, the speed will be turned the right side. The agitator is working right now. If you want to store it or your product already finished produced, you want to turn off the homogenizer and agitator, you need to turn the speed to be 0. press this red button. Turn the speed to be 0. Turn the red button. It can be stopped. SIPUXIN 23 years experience, original factory, sincerity, service forever.